Oh, lovely stuff. It's a bit muddy out there, but nevertheless, beautiful beach at a tropical island. Greetings! Greetings to Koh Phangan, greetings to Baan Thai Beach, and greetings to the Steady Eddie channel. Now today, on this gloriously hot afternoon, I am taking a walk along the beach, and I'm going to show you the hotel that I'm staying in. There's not much happening on the beach, not many beach bars or anything, but the hotel I'm staying in, the Cheeva Beach Resort, and the place next to it, they're about the only two places where you can get an afternoon beer. So a beach location, nice hotel, beach location, glorious sunshine, Koh Phangan. What more can you possibly want? There you go. So there's two entrances to this place, and I'm going to show you the beach entrance. It's called the Cheeva Beach Resort, and I've been staying there for a total of 6 days. Okay, now there's good points and not so good points about it. Well, come on, a lovely beach location like this. There you go, there's the sign for the hotel. This is the restaurant, and this is the actual hotel right here. Now I will say that this little restaurant here is open from about 10 AM to 10 PM. Or no, I should say 8 AM to 10 PM. Last orders for the meals are about 9 PM, and they do some good quality food. They really, really do. I've had some nice meals here. So this is it. Nice little place. You get free coffee included. Hello buddy, how are you? You get free coffee as well for guests. The hotel doesn't include breakfast, but like I say, it's just a tiny little walk down there to the on-site restaurant. And now I'm going to show you the room that I'm staying in. Now I was staying in one room, but they've moved me to a slightly, very, very slightly smaller one. But it's a nice location, if you like quiet locations, that is. Okay, so where is my room? It's up here somewhere. This is it right here. See? Nice garden. You get some lovely, delightful, lizardy things roaming around here. I don't mean geckos, I mean proper sort of lizards, and they're lovely creatures they are. So, here we go. Now, if you want to swing in your hammock all afternoon, you're welcome to do so. The Cheeva Beach Resort. Okay, so it's not the biggest room, but it's very, very well kept, very comfortable. You got a nice big double bed there. You got plenty of power points and light sockets. You've got a nice settee there, a fridge. You've got a TV in this room, which I didn't have in the other one, but I don't watch TV anyway. And what is that? Is that a video recorder? Whatever the hell that is. You've even got a microwave in here, if you use that sort of thing. And there's an electric kettle there. They don't bring coffee into the room, but you know, you can get coffee down at the hotel there. Sorry, the hotel restaurant. Nice and spacious here. You've got a nice safe. Plenty of storage space. This is a good little place here. This little desk here with this rather comfortable chair, so you can work on your laptop here. The only problem with that is that there's not actually a socket nearby here, so you've got to fully charge your machine up before you start. This is the bathroom. A nice, spacious, comfortable bathroom. Shower with hot water. A bit basic, but you know, it's nice enough. So overall, a nice, comfy room. Couple more things to add. The air con is very, very, very efficient. Very efficient. It goes first time. They're not all like that. The Wi-Fi in this room it's excellent. Yeah, it's very, very good. Wi-Fi is very good. is it guest friendly? Well, of course it is, because you come down here from the main road that way of a night time, and you know there's not really a reception open of a night time. So yeah, you can bring a guest back, not a problem. The problem with this place is that it's out in the middle of nowhere. I know that you've got that lovely beach there. It is actually on the beach, but it's not close to any of the nightlife. It would take you 10 minutes to actually walk to the main road where you can get a Jeep, Song Tower, whatever you want to call it. But they seem to make the prices up as they go along. If there's a few people, then you know you'll share the the Jeep, and it will get you to Tong Sala where there are bars. I think that's about it's a fair distance. I've been charged anything from 100 baht to 300 baht. Of a night time, if you're coming back from the nightlife there, if you're on your own, then you're going to have to pay for the whole Jeep. And the cheapest I've been quoted is 300 baht. So you are out of the way of everything in this place, which is why I'm moving to another hotel. But if you like peace and quiet and relaxation, there are some people here I see at the restaurant, and they seem to hang around all day on the laptops, and then they might go down to the beach and just lie in one of the sunbeds for a brief while. Some people just want to do that. That's good enough for some people. Me, I want a bit more than that. And like I say, this place is a teensy-weensy bit isolated. I need to be a little bit closer to the action, really. But it's a good hotel. I've had a nice relaxing time here. And the price of this hotel room, it doesn't include breakfast, of course, but you've got a nice restaurant down there. The price is a very, very reasonable 800 baht per night. That's 800 baht for a double room without breakfast. And I'd say that that's pretty good value. I'm quite happy with that. Nice place. Very, very relaxing. And if you want to be close to the beach, but you want to get away from all the nightlife and whatever, you may find that this place is most appealing. Okay? Oh, yes. And before I forget, somebody did comment on one of my videos about this. The laundry. They do your laundry for you. They're within 24 hours, and it's about 50 baht per kilo, and it's very, very efficient. So I don't normally mention the fact that you can get your laundry done here quite easy. So whoever it was who recommended that I should add that there. I hope you're happy now. There you go, lovely environment here. Very peaceful. Nice, very, very relaxing environment. It's also seems to be pretty ideal for families, this place. Yes, I see quite a few families with children here. So if you do have children and you're not interested in the nightlife, and you want to be close to the beach, and you just want a relaxing place, then this is ideal. So there you go. Lovely relaxing place. If you want to swing in a hammock, you're free to do so. And one more thing, which I almost forgot. Simply because I've never got round to using it. Down here, you have a swimming pool. Right. So you got the beach over there, you got the restaurants here, the beach over there, and here you have the swimming pool. Oh, doesn't that look nice, yes? There you go, the Cheeva Beach Resort, including a nice swimming pool. Okay, what more can you possibly want?